I bought a fucking bike. I wasn't expecting to, I wasn't intending to buy a bike, not in the near future. I was going to wait until winning season came around again, finances were a bit better, but fuck yeah. So yeah, I obviously bought a motorbike, and this is the exact one I rode, the demo version that they had. This is the demo version they had that I rode a few months ago, and it had just come up for sale, and I was like, fucking let's go. The only difference is it had a seat on it, a different seat when I rode it, but this one's got the pipe and the tune already, and you know, it's a little bit cheaper than a new one, even with the pipe and everything. So there's a fair bit of money for me at the moment, but I am bikeless. You guys know I sold a KTM, and I was just hanging out for a bike so much. I went ahead and I just bit the bullet and did it. It's got 502 kilometers on the clock. I'm just gonna have to work a little bit harder. Thanks to the guys at North Auckland Harley. Second bike I've bought there, and I'll always go there now for everything I buy Harley. Because Mike's always been awesome to deal with. Man, I haven't even ridden a bike in ages. I sold my KTM months ago. Oh, it feels good to be back on a bike. I literally wasn't expecting to buy a bike for months. It just kind of happened over the last couple of days. They happened to get it ready just before I needed it, because I'm going down the line tomorrow for work. So yeah, they pushed it through, got it ready for me, and here I am. I'm only going to be able to ride it today, and then I'm working till Sunday, so it's Friday, Thursday. No, it's Wednesday today. God, it's going to suck not being able to ride it. Here we are, Lowrider ST 2023, 117. Pretty happy with it. I am going to do a few things. I want to get rear pegs, a nice comfortable double seat. Probably, I mean, at least I'm going to get, at a bare minimum, I'm going to get highway pegs. I may keep the mid controls and just get highway pegs. Otherwise, I'll just get forward controls. Because I am 6'1", and I'm finding it a little bit cramped. Kind of like I'm sitting on a toilet. But yeah, we'll see. I'm going to just keep recording for this ride home, and you guys can come along with me. Cruise control. I'm stoked to have that. That was one thing I missed from my street bob, because I'm pretty keen on doing some long missions around the country on it. It's just something nice to have, you know. It's not a must, but it's pretty nice. Sounds so nice. I love the single pipe. Definitely sounds better than well, I mean, it's subjective, but it sounds better in my opinion than the twin Vance and Haynes pipes I had on my street bob, which is a 114. Oh, it feels good. Get a slightly taller screen for it as well. Like, it's way below my eye line, so if I can find something that looks nice, I'd probably do that. It was going to be one of the white ones, which I kind of would have liked, to be honest. I've I've never been one to go for the standard black or like the most common paint option with cars or bikes. Yeah, I do like black as well, and it looks sick, especially when it's clean. I just kind of like the white option of the retro one, but I think they sold it or something. So, like they were going to do a swap with the fairings. I don't know what the full story was, but anyway, I got a black one, and you know, I'm still stoked. I was looking at a bunch of bikes. I was so undecided. Like, I was going from one of the new MT-09 SPs to the Harley to like a Yamaha World Raid to just a Ducati. Like, I was looking at the S1000 RRs. I was just so undecided on what kind of bike I wanted that I kind of had decision paralysis, really. I was even looking at the new RSV4, but in the end I decided on the Harley, mostly because I kind of want to chill a little bit now, but I still want power. Whereas on my Aprilia, I just ride like a fucking nutcase, and yeah, I just can't really do it anymore. I mean, it's fun, but I'd prefer just to have like a track bike and take it out on the track. Riding a Harley definitely has the most unique feeling out of any other kind of brand I've ridden or anything like that. Like, it's just something different about it. It's kind of special, you know. I can already feel the suspension is so much better on this than it was on my Street Bob. It's probably all kind of obvious shit that I'm saying to Harley guys. More experienced Harley guys. The back brakes don't do shit. I think it's just too heavy. Maybe they haven't been bid in properly because it's a demo, but yeah, the back brakes, they don't do a lot.